Search aloe vera juice and glycerin for hair online, and you'll find a whole host of evidence in favor of these two ingredients for hair health. People have taken to online forums to praise the combination for promoting hair softness and shine, particularly for long hair. But what's the scientific evidence behind aloe vera juice and glycerin for hair? And how do you use it for the biggest benefits? Stick around, because we're about to cover everything you need to know in this video. Let's first take a look at the benefits of aloe vera juice, the gooey, thick liquid made from the flesh of the aloe vera plant leaf for hair. 1. It's a great natural moisturizer. If you're struggling with dry hair, aloe vera juice can provide your hair with some essential nutrients to keep it nice and moisturized. Aloe vera contains a high concentration of water, making it a great addition to your hair routine if you're looking to keep your strands moisturized. 2. It strengthens and repairs hair strands. There are numerous beneficial minerals to be found in aloe vera juice, namely vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins can help to keep your strands healthy and strong, which can help to prevent any further damage to your hair, like split ends. Number 3. It's effective in treating an itchy scalp. If you commonly deal with an itchy scalp, whether from allergies, dry skin, dandruff, or something else, aloe vera juice may be a big help. Studies have found that when aloe vera is applied to the scalp, its cooling sensation helps relieve any uncomfortable itchiness. Number 4. It promotes hair growth. Applying aloe vera juice to your scalp increases blood circulation. Blood circulation ensures that your scalp derives all the essential nutrients and oxygen to be healthy, and promoting increased hair growth. Number 5. It can be used as an effective hair cleanser. Aloe vera can be used to help cleanse your hair follicles and gently remove oil buildup and residue from other products that were previously applied to your hair. Washing your hair with aloe vera juice can help remove the bad stuff and ensure your strands maintain their natural shine. Moving on to the benefits of glycerin, a sugar alcohol derived from animal products, plants, or petroleum for hair. These benefits are pretty similar to the benefits of aloe vera juice, which explains why the two are such a good match. Number 1. It eliminates dandruff. Glycerin moisturizes and nourishes your scalp, relieving you of dandruff-related symptoms. Glycerin is also used in a number of skincare products to help treat dry skin. Number 2. It offers deep conditioning. Glycerin can be used to nourish and condition the hair, making it soft and frizz-free. It can also be mixed with your conditioner to help lock in moisture in your hair strands and keep them smooth and shiny. Number 3. It eliminates itchiness. Glycerin has antimicrobial properties that can help treat itchiness, which is usually caused by dryness or dandruff. It helps retain moisture in the scalp, preventing a dry environment that leads to flakiness and itchiness. Number 4. It prevents split ends. Split ends are the result of dry and damaged hair. Glycerin helps in strengthening your hair, preventing it from breaking and other forms of damage. It keeps your hair shaft intact and prevents the development of split ends. On its own, glycerin can destroy the hair and strip it of moisture. But when diluted, glycerin softens the hair and even reduces frizz. And rather than diluting your glycerin in plain old water, you may as well reap the benefits of aloe juice while you're at it. For this homemade aloe vera juice and glycerin hair remedy, you'll need a 1/4 cup distilled water, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice, 2 tablespoons of glycerin, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can also add 7 drops of an essential oil of your choice like geranium, lavender, rose, or jasmine. To make the remedy, pour your distilled water into a spray bottle, then add the 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice, 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. If you're going down the essential oil route, now's your time to add the 7 drops of an essential oil of your choice for a beautiful scent. Cap the bottle, then shake it gently to mix up the ingredients. And that's all there is to it. Store the bottle in a cool, dry place. Then, when you want to use it, spray it onto damp hair that's freshly washed. Let your hair dry, then style it as usual. For an even simpler remedy, just combine 1 part aloe to 1 part glycerin to 3 parts distilled water. In the shower after conditioning, spray your hair with this mixture. It'll work like a dream in keeping your hair strong, shiny, and split-end free. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use aloe vera and coconut oil for amazing hair growth. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.